Google Drive, how to recover deleted files. So recovering deleted files on Google Drive is only possible if the files are in the trash folder and have not been permanently deleted. So to recover them, so go to your Google Drive first and log into your Google Drive and then access your trash folder. So on your left hand menu here, you will see a trash folder. Simply click on it and then locate the file that's been deleted. For example, I've got this file here. So click on these three dots here and then you will see a restore option there. So click on the restore option and the file will be moved back to its original location in Drive. So that's how you recover a file that's been recently deleted. So however, if you want to recover something that's permanently deleted and if the file is no longer in your trash, then what you can do, you can try to reach out to the Google Drive support team. So hit on this support option here on your top. So click on this support option, go to help, and then here you can either search for missing or deleted file, or else click on these recover a deleted file option here. So go for it and then scroll all the way down and you will see a link to request file recovery. So click on this link and request for a file recovery to the support team, and sometimes perhaps they may be able to recover your deleted file if they have been permanently deleted in some cases. So it's limited, like recovery is only possible through the Google support team in limited cases. So but you can still give it a go and see if it works for you. And that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video and information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.